Optimizing AWS Amplify DataStore is crucial for improving the performance and efficiency of your application. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of AWS Amplify DataStore, which is a cloud-based data storage solution that provides a scalable and secure way to store and manage data. First, ensure you have the latest version of the AWS Amplify CLI installed, as this will provide you with the necessary tools to configure and optimize your data store. Next, review your data model to ensure it is optimized for your use case, as a well-designed data model is critical for optimal performance. To optimize your data store, start by implementing data caching, which can significantly reduce the number of requests made to your data store, resulting in improved performance and reduced latency. You can also use data pagination to limit the amount of data transferred between your application and the data store, which can also improve performance. Another key optimization technique is to use query optimization, which involves optimizing your data queries to reduce the amount of data retrieved and processed. This can be achieved by using efficient query methods, such as using indexes and limiting the amount of data retrieved. In addition to these techniques, it is also essential to monitor your data store performance regularly, using tools such as AWS CloudWatch to identify any performance bottlenecks and take corrective action. This can include optimizing your data model, adjusting your caching strategy, or scaling your data store to meet changing demand. Best practices for optimizing AWS Amplify DataStore include using a scalable and secure data model, implementing data caching and pagination, optimizing queries, and regularly monitoring performance. By following these best practices and techniques, you can optimize your AWS Amplify DataStore for improved performance, efficiency, and scalability. Finally, it is essential to test and validate your optimized data store configuration to ensure it meets your application requirements and provides the expected performance improvements. By doing so, you can ensure your application provides a seamless and responsive user experience, while also minimizing costs and optimizing resource utilization.